for a robot companion. Collect gadgets and weapons as I go. Ratchet and Clank. This is only for PlayStation. How do I find those secret areas with regular and gold bolts? Oh, there's a new one out, going commando. And I'm in the Bogon Galaxy. Enter hoverbike races and shoot with greater accuracy. What challenges I will face is I thought I was unstoppable. There was more up your arsenal. I still wanted more. I got the trilogy in stock, including Ratchet, Deadlocked, and no Clank to care for. Really, size matter, not for future saga. Take the tools of destruction. Indeed, I went gaga and played Quest for Beauty. Indeed, a crack in time. As I fall into the Nexus, it's Secret Agent Clank fun. Then together for all for one. Finished full frontal assault. Now wait, ripped apart.